everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the desktop navigation drawer and hover play feature in YouTube Music on your PC. This is especially useful for music lovers who want faster playback control and smoother browsing experience without constantly switching pages. Now first, open Google Chrome or any browser on your PC. Next, go to YouTube Music. Now, on the top left corner of the page, click the three horizontal lines next to the YouTube Music logo. As you can see, a sidebar will slide out on the left side of the screen. This is your navigation drawer where you can access your library, playlists, and recent activity. Now here comes the cool part. Hover play. Instead of opening a playlist, you can simply move your mouse over any playlist or album in a sidebar. As you can see, as you hover, a small play button will appear instantly. Click it and the music will start playing right away. No need to open a new page or wait for it to load. This lets you quickly play music while staying on the same screen, which is perfect for multitasking. Finally, if you want more screen space, just click the three lines icon again. The sidebar will collapse into a compact navigation bar, giving you a cleaner and more focused view. And that's it! Thanks for watching!